Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Sandy. Today is Friday the 13th. It's Friday the 13th. They said it's I don't know, some kind of weird day. A lot of things happen, but well, I don't really care if it's Friday the 13th. All I know is just another typical day that we need to at least accomplish something. So just an update. We're already monetized. Thank you so much for everybody who helped me out and support me with that. I can't thank you guys enough. Honolulu Marathon is over. I'm fully recovered, and hey, just because it's done doesn't mean we have to stop from here. We still have our holiday season, and there's a lot of things to do, and also there's gonna be a lot of food. So you know what that means? We're gonna gain weight and we're gonna get fatter. And there's no offense to people with weight problem, because I am one of them, but I will definitely gonna work on it. Oh my god, I'm going to the gym, so whatever happens, let's just go work out and make sure that we do something productive today. Okay. I saw a beautiful bird right over there. Oh, is there the bird? There's a little bird. Hi, chicken. I felt like I'm gonna eat tinola today. Hello, chicken. How about if we make tinola later? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we're gonna do. But today, let's go to the gym first and get our workout done. How are you doing? Now we're going to cook some chicken tinola, and we'll see. It was a good workout, and we'll do that again tomorrow. I mentioned earlier I want to make chicken tinola, but want to have chicken tinola or chicken papaya soup with malunggay leaves. So I don't have an abundant malunggay leaves in my house, because the one that I have is just a small tree. So I'm gonna steal some outside. It's not really like owned by somebody, but let's go. Windy. Make sure nobody's looking. Okay. So there's a tree over here. And we're only gonna need a few branches. Oh god, this looks terrible. But kids, don't do this at home. I'm such a bad influence, but we'll get some few branches. So I have some leaves. Let's go get the chicken and the papaya. So we have our malunggay leaves. Let's go to the store and get some chicken papaya. Let me show you how much moringa or malunggay cost here in the store. $3.99 each. You get this much. Ginger. And the ginger cost $3.79 per pound. These are green papayas. Make sure it's actually green, not yellow. I'm back home now and I'm gonna start making the chicken tinola. So first thing you need a whole chicken. I prefer chicken with bone because the bone is where all the goodies are located. The broth tastes better with the chicken bone. So this is the entire chicken. As you can tell, it looks lovely, isn't it? It is chicken with bone and skin on, and for those people who don't like the chicken skin and bone, well, too bad. Just to let you know, make sure when you deal with a chicken like this, a raw chicken, make sure you wash your hands pretty well after you touch the chicken, because you don't want to get sick with salmonella poisoning. And also clean the counter after you deal with the chicken. Thing I would do is remove this from the plastic bag and then cut this up into small pieces. And so in regards to your moringa leaves or your malunggay, you make sure you wash it thoroughly, because this is fresh, by the way, and you know where I got this from. So we have to wash this, and then the hard part is like removing all the little stems, and we're only going to eat the leaves anyway. So we're gonna put this in the water, soak it good, and then wash it, because we don't want to eat some bugs or anything like that. And for those people who wonder why I like moringa so much, moringa leaves are actually considered a superfood, and you can look it up yourself. I'm not gonna discuss it here, but I use moringa leaves in everything pretty much. So for the rest of our ingredients, we have papaya, green papaya, ginger, garlic, lemongrass, and again the chicken. And I use chicken broth because chicken broth has already have a little bit of salt in it, so I don't have to add extra salt. So yeah, so let's start. This is our green papaya, our ginger. We're not going to use a lot of it, just a little bit. Garlic, and our tanglad or ginger, sorry, not ginger, but lemongrass. So this is the hard part. You have to peel the papaya, and when you peel the papaya, you make sure, better be sure it's green, not yellow, not orange, because it's gonna turn the chicken tinola super sweet. And we want a little bit of sweetness, but not much of the ripened papaya sweetness. There's a little bit yellowing in it, almost orange, so that means it could be ripe, but that's okay, we use it anyway. This is what papaya look like inside. It's supposed to be green all throughout, but it looked like it's beginning to ripen, but we can still use it. Not a big deal. Chicken tinola, or they call it chicken papaya. It's one of the most popular and easy dish to cook, but the preparation sometimes it's a little tedious, because you have to peel the vegetable. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's almost ripened, and you can actually eat it. Green. This is what we want. Oil. So slice some ginger, and I like to add garlic also. The papaya. To cook it a little bit faster, just add chicken broth to your chicken papaya, or you can add water if you want. Papaya is cooking. We wanted it to be soft, but not too soft. We'll deal with the chicken and cook it separately. Brown also. Make sure it's cooked. Skin down. I know it looks really gross, but it's gonna be delicious. And if you cannot handle the chicken bone, sorry about that. Let's just brown the chicken and add it into the papaya mix right over here. Woo, we can only smell it here. It smells like ginger garlicky. Woo. While we're waiting for the chicken and the papaya to cook separately, let's deal with the malunggay now. Oh, this is the part I don't really like, but I like to eat malunggay, but I have to do this. Okay, I'll show you. This is my least favorite about malunggay. Have to take off all these leaves one by one. Ah. I think I put too much chicken and put too much papaya, but we'll put our lemongrass. We'll add more chicken broth. Drown them with chicken broth. Maybe we can fix our lemongrass, and then we'll work with the malunggay still. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Wait, I gotta fix this. This is ridiculous. So here we go. We're gonna add our malunggay. Ta-da! We'll just wait until this thing cooks a little bit. Oh, this is what it's looked like when it's cooked. It looks kind of scary, funny looking. I tell you, the broth is so delicious. The soup. So this is for people who's not feeling well, like Tina Matutina, Kaloy Santos, Kuya Foodie, Mary Lou Wagner. This is your brother's recipe, but not as close, but it's good enough. Anyway, let me devour the chicken. Let me try it first. And you see the malunggay, moringa, right over there. There you go. And I put too much chicken, but not too bad. And just ignore the bone, because that's what makes the dish flavorful. The fact that it has garlic and ginger, and I love that gingery flavor. Such a comfort food. Usually eat this with rice, but I try to skip the rice part. Maybe I'll eat it with rice later. Oh, let's try this. So pwede na ako mamatay. Grabe. Masarap siya. With the papaya, soft, and the malunggay. What a combination. You feel sick? You're not feeling better? Try some soup. Maybe try some papaya soup or something. Any soup of your favorite. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys will have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.